Hello guys and welcome to another Car Exposed video. Today I'm going to show you something that I've literally been asked 1,000 times. How to deactivate your volumetric sensor, alarm volumetric sensor and your tilt sensor in this Renault Mark III with the key card. So you might ask why you would deactivate your volumetric sensor, your movement sensor inside the car when the alarm when the car is locked, basically. So I don't know if you want to park your car with the window slightly open in a hot day, but you want to obviously leave your car locked. If you have, I don't know, a child that's sleeping, you want to pop to the shop for 30 seconds, and you don't want the alarm to go off, or if you have a dog, obviously be responsible. Don't leave dogs with the, windows closed in a hot day, or children, or even the wife, and I know, jokes apart, yeah, just be responsible. But there's a hidden feature, I call it a hidden feature because it's not the case of having a switch like in the Volkswagens or in my Mini, for example. You press the key locking button twice to deactivate the movement sensors or volumetric sensors. There's a little bit of a procedure which is in a manual, to be honest with you, but a lot of people don't know this, so I'm gonna show you now. But first of all, I'd like to show you how arming of the alarm works and what happens if it has been triggered when you get to the car. So I'm going to show you how it works first, because you get a beep telling you what's happening to the car. Right, so first of all, when you lock the car, you get the hazard lights flashing twice, and then your volumetric sensor is not activated for about 30 seconds. So if you see the sensor here, it can move about, no problem at all. There's another one over there, and you can move about for exactly 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds the alarm should go off. Right, so after the 30 seconds the hazard lights will flash for 1.5 minutes. So let me wait until it stops. Right, so just stopped now. So we had the sirens going off for 30 seconds and the hazard lights carrying on for another 1.5 minutes. Now, if you unlock the car, you will hear 4 beeps that tells you that the alarm was triggered, and obviously you didn't attend the car. The car at this point is the alarm is armed again, so if I move, it will go off again. But I will unlock the car now, and pay attention, you're gonna hear 4 beeps, which is a warning that your car was disturbed and no one attended the car after 2 minutes, and just to tell you that something happened. So let me unlock the car. I triggered the alarm again. I will unlock the car. Let's see if you can hear it. So there you go, 4 beeps to warn you that the car was disturbed. Let's get to the point that you are all waiting. Now I'm going to show you how to deactivate the volumetric sensor first. All you have to do, with the ignition off, you're gonna insert the card once until the light on the dash comes on, and then off again. The light came on, and now you can lock the car. And then it beeps 3 times, telling you that the volumetric sensor is disarmed now, so you can move about in the car. It's not going to go off at all. So now I'm going to show you how to deactivate your tilting sensor. So basically, if you want to tow your car, but you want to leave the car locked, or it's basically for towing the car. You can do other things as well, but mainly for towing the car. You want to lock the car, but you don't want the alarm to go off on the top of a flatbed or something like that. So this procedure, you have to do the same thing but 3 times. So now I'm going to insert the key once, light on the dash came on, take the key out, key it in again, and I'll do it 3rd time, and I'll press locking button again. and that failed. I wasn't quick enough, so I have to do it quickly. So 1, 2, 3, press the button. So now we got 4 beeps, and that means your tilting sensor is deactivated now, basically. Well, both is deactivated now. Your car is locked, it's secured, but the alarm is not going to go off. So there we go, just a quick video. It's something really simple, but I think is really helpful. It's a good thing to know. It's not quite straightforward like your other vehicles, which just switch and that's it. And just to remind you also, you have to do this procedure every time you want to deactivate the sensors. You know, when you come back, start the car, if you lock again, you just gonna arm everything again. So you have to do the procedure every single time. And to be honest, it's quite straightforward after you know what you're doing. One more thing that I should have added in the beginning, obviously, when you lock the car and unlock in a normal situation, you don't get any beep. So lock it, the hazard lights flash twice, unlock it, it flashes once, and you don't get any beep. You're only gonna get this warning beep in 4 different situations, which is if the car is disturbed, you're gonna get 4 beeps. When you open the car again, when you disarm your volumetric sensor, you get 3 beeps, and then when you disarm your tilt sensor, you get 4 beeps. Another situation that you're gonna get a continuous beep if your bonnet is open. So let me close the car. So we're gonna lock the car again. And let me try to open the bonnet. Let's see if it's gonna go up far enough. Probably not. Gonna have to go outside. Now let me go outside. Lift the bonnet a little bit. Let me lock the car now. You're gonna hear continuous beep. So there you go. So that means your bonnet is open. Let me shut it. So there we go. So it's closed now. And yeah, that's it. That's all I've got for you today, guys. I hope it's helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.